about a month ago, we had a huge windstorm roll through the valley. People felt it from Castlegar to, I think, Revelstoke. I'm not, maybe not that far, but at least into Nakusp and everything in between. It was absolutely wild, savage. You can see it here. Video footage of the winds. Sand was just hundreds of feet in the air. Thousands of trees were laid low. No one got hurt. There was a significant amount of property damage, a lot of downed power lines, just ripped in half, hydro poles that support those power lines. There was a 2 or 3 plus day outage depending on where you were, what area. Here, our power was out for almost 48 hours, maybe more. We were running generators and well, normally we just get by on our little Jackery solar generator, but yesterday and today's power outage has been severe enough to really damage and compromise the freezers, and we don't want to lose all of our meat. So finally, after 2 years, we get to use our gas and propane generator. Woo! That kind of stuff to keep our freezers online. But all that to say, today, our neighbor Micah and I will be heading out to another friend's house in town where there are hundreds of trees down. And that's the silver lining, is now we get to buck a bunch of that up, get to run the saws, and make the best of a bad situation. And it just means more firewood, right? So off we go. Time to get gear ready. Drink deeply, my friend. Okay.
So I've got a little screwdriver for that.
What more you know?
My understanding because I brought mine from a different altitude, basically. So mine was set by like an old logger who would do it like down in the lower mainland. Yeah. Now that we're here, and then when you go up the mountain, change
thinner.
Yeah, less oxygen, so you have to let more in, kind of thing. the chainsaw a bit of relief by cutting and creating a bit of a relief cut, and then you're only cutting 2/3 of the log when you come down.
Yeah.
And you're only cutting 1/3, then you're only cutting 2/3.
Gotcha.
Instead of a full width cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By like wrestling it down. Yeah.
And what I noticed when you
These dig in and then you seesaw back. That was the extent of like
Yeah.
training on a chainsaw.
Yeah.
Letting the tool do the work.
Yeah.
Extends to everything else.
Yeah.
So you can just do it.
and you logs in and start cranking on it,
Yeah.
it'll start kicking your cutout, and you'll start to get these swooped cuts.
Grizz! Grizzly! Grizzles! Oh, you're just like a tiny little trade, hey? Come here. Hey. Hey, you. What's Rocket doing? Garbage trade. This is what it's all about, Mike. This is what it's all about.
I'm gonna go right side up, you think? You gotta have an abundance mindset. Just spend it and it'll come back.
No, I find I get my most when
When you min-max?
I'm in that.
What would we call you? You're a spike.
You just basically drop the tree.
What's that?
Just drop the tree at that end.
Okay.
And then pick it up.
Okay.
With the that other cant hook.
Oh, jeepers. Man, all this detritus, eh? Look at this shit.
Yeah, and just make sure there's no dirt in your line of path.
Yeah. My line of, what do you mean?
Well, sorry, your cutting line.
Yeah, yeah. Last one was, I can't find your other one. Ah. Well, I thought she was gonna go, Micah. Oh, she's being held down.
Okay.
Oh, we could have had better content. Go for the ground.
Well,
Ah!
at least it didn't roll this way and take the camera.
Yeah.
Or
Cut. Huh.
no, it's just too heavy.
So if I sit on this,
Well, it's kind of sitting off the ground right now.
so if we wedge something underneath,
Yeah.
make do.
This is gonna hit me in the dick. Well, do you want to stand on it for a sec? I'll buck off a couple of pieces,
Sure.
lighten this thing up.
Sure. Sometimes I'm just a paperweight.
Eh?
Sometimes I'm just a paperweight.
Yeah.
It's a tree. It's a tree.
Oh yeah. What do you think? I don't know if I want to put too much more on that. Maybe. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Paul. After that, the postures shall be fished.
Shall. So maybe take this out. What we need here: chainsaw, mixed gas, eye protection, ear protection. People have chaps and full face shields when they're running a chainsaw. And you know what? I probably should too. Who's got the time? And marking saw, some chain oil if we need it. I need to find my marky stick. I don't know where that is. Where did I put that? Lou, did you take my marking stick? Where did it go? This is not good. I have it's an idea I pirated from Micah, actually. It's a old broom handle that is marked out in 16-inch chunks. I don't know where it is now. Now I've lost it. It might be in the back of the truck. This pile of wood, yeah. Anyways, now we got the marquee stick too. Now we just gotta wait for the truck to come back. Unload some bags of feed. Load all this stuff up. And then off we go for round 2 of heading to Tina's house to zip up some of these fallen trees, help clear some of them from her property, get some firewood for us. Micah is in the truck behind me. We got our saws all sharpened up. He showed me how to do that. Here we go. It's been a couple weeks. We're back at it, round 2 of probably 200 or 300 rounds. There. All right, here we are for round 2. Micah, you ready?
So ready.
Yes.
It's giving me a ton of problems.
Ah, we love it. We love it. All right. A ton of problems.
I think Christine gets off at 3:30.
Okay.
So it can't actually be long.
Yeah, 2 hours.
So this will be like a...
We'll splint it.
Yeah.
We have 2 hours to buck up. What are we bucking up?
Well, as much wood with as little weight as 4 little Tacomas.
This guy? I think we should just take the biggest motherfucker.
Basically.
I'm gonna edit that out, apparently. I can't swear on this channel.
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to cut this one in half?
Let's see if I can even... I don't know.
Yeah.
We should cut that. I wish I'd gotten that on film.
Your booty blow it out.
Tried to, I think I herniated a disc. Micah knows all about hernias.
Huh?
What?
I got my earplugs in already.
Oh, I said Micah knows all about hernias. For reference, I just tried to lift this tree. Didn't work.
About prolapses, because I'm not interested in doing that.
I know everything about hernias and nothing about prolapses. Ooh, I talked about this before we came. So remember how I said, who's got the time for safety? For chaps and face masks? Micah does. Micah's got the time for safety.
I wear chaps because I don't have a horse, so I don't get a chance to wear assless chaps any other time. So, I mean, buttless chaps.
Well,
Sorry, I heard we don't swear here.
And he's a real man. Cares about
And I like my
cares about longevity. And he likes his pants. And his arteries.
I actually don't like my veins.
I actually don't like that.
Like I said, I fully ruined my old chain doing it with the wrong file. At least it didn't roll this way and take the camera.
Yeah.
Blooper reel.
Just shattered the tripod.
Let us start. Duct tape it on.
Well, these are the things that we learn. $30 Amazon tripods can't withstand the might of a tree.
1 star.
1 star. Well, at least it wasn't a dog. Well, there you go. That's a hell of a way to start a... Sheared it right off. Anyways, that's a pretty clear sign. Pin on the dump area there has decided to vanish on us.